Another amazing adventure. Hello my darlings, welcome. Thank you so much for watching my video today. For DIY number 1, I found this beautiful glass vase and these 2 glass candle holders from thrift store, and I'm gonna try to deep clean them and try to remove that silver coat on the bottom of the glass vase. After I clean it well, I'm gonna be using this beautiful IOD orchid transfers, and I'm just going through the pages, see which of those beautiful flowers gonna look the best on the glass. So after I found the right ones, I'm gonna cut it off and it's gonna be ready for the transfer on my glass. Now I'm gonna show you how easy it is to transfer on those transfers step by step on a glass. I used them before on a different material, different surface, but I never used them on a glass, and this time I wanted to use them on a glass. So with the help of the scraper, I'm just going all over until the whole fully transfer on sticker is on. Just gotta go slowly because the shape is like round, it's not straight, so you're just going slowly. Make sure all the leaves are on the glass, just like so. Look how cute it came out. So my first candle holder is done. Next, I'm doing the same process on my second glass holder. Just cutting it off enough to fit on the front of my glass holder. And I'm gonna do the same transfer on as I did on the first one. Second glass holder is done. Now we're going to the vase. For the vase, I choose more flowers with the leaves, and I'm just trying to center it before I transfer it on. For those IOD transfers, I will have the links in my description box. I am not sponsored by them, but I really truly love their products. So if some of you are interested to buy them, I will have the links in my description box. So like I said, I'm going on my vase now with a scraper and trying to transfer this beautiful bouquet of flowers on my glass. Look how cute those transfers came out. After that, I went outside. I spray painted them with this crystal clear spray for protection so we can wash them. And that's it. And my candle holders and my vase are ready for decorations. I fill a portion with those glass stones from Dollar Tree, colored glass. And after that, I fill out the candle holders with water so I can put the candles. And that's it. And look how cute. You're gonna see the final reveal at the end. Today I'm a part of an amazing collab hosted by my amazing friend ZANA from OK at Home DIY. If you haven't visited her channel, please do so. Along with all these amazing ladies, she got us all together so we can create something old and make it new. So I can't wait to see what my other friends created today. And please, after you're done watching my video, visit the playlist with all those amazing ladies because they're all unbelievable, talented creators with lots of inspirations for you to create as well. DIY number 2, I found this wooden handbag at thrift store. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove all the accessories. Next is covering all this painting. I'm just going all over. I found this paint at Home Depot for 50 cents. It was on the sample section. So I grabbed a couple of different colors and I want to try them out. And I'm really satisfied with that. It's like a closer, like a hazelnut, like an ivory, beautiful color. It's like a mix with primer and a chalk paint. So I'm just going all over, and when it's all dry, now I'm gonna use the IOD Transfers again, and this time I'm using a different color of flowers, and I'm gonna put them on top of my handbag. I'm using this beautiful green flower first. They're like a roses or like a peony, it's hard to tell. I am positioning it, make sure how it's gonna look so I don't transfer them upside down. And now I'm putting the first part on, and the same process as my first DIY, using the scraper, make sure the whole transfer is fully on my wooden surface, just like so. Those transfers are so easy and I'm really loving them. I purchased so many of them and I've been experimenting in my couple of videos and I'm really loving them. So now for the second transfer, I'm gonna put a partial on top of the first flower that I did, just like that. And voila, look how beautiful. I'm putting the accessories back, like I take them out, I'm putting them back now. And my perfect beautiful piece looks brand new. What do you think? I'm adding that gloss, wood gloss on top as a sealer, and my old thing look brand new. You gotta let me know, what do you think? For my last DIY, I found these drapery brackets at thrift store. After I clean them well, I'm gonna give them a good one coat of the same paint that I use for my handbag. Simple as that. And I'm gonna make them look brand new. After they're dry, I'm using a semi-gloss for wood sealer. Just going all over with a wipe. And that's about it for this DIY. Look how cute this color look. I'm really loving that. And I'm using it as a book stance You gotta let me know, what do you think? And here is my final reveal for all those beautiful things that I created today. Let me know, what do you think? Do you like them? Do you like these beautiful transfer-ons that I did today? Did I give you some inspirations? Are you gonna make some of those? Give me your thoughts. I wanna say thank you so much for taking your time to watch my video today. Don't forget to check out the links of my amazing ZANA and amazing playlist with all my amazing talented friends. And until next time, which is gonna be tomorrow, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Bye bye.